Good day again, my dear grade 8 students. Okay, how are you? Okay, so we are in our fourth quarter. So for this week lesson, I am going to tackle about importing, exporting, and linking. Okay, so let us have, once again, I am your subject teacher, Mrs. Lorena R. De Guzman. Okay, so let us identify what is importing and exporting. Okay, Access allows you to easily exchange data with other programs. Importing is to bring information from another program into Access, while exporting is to bring Access data into another program or another Access database file. So from the word importing, import, ibig sabihin, you are in your Microsoft Access, naka-open sa Microsoft Access, then may kukuhain kang files or may gusto kang ipasok na panibagong files from outside the open application to your Microsoft Access program. While exporting from the word exit, ibig sabihin from your Microsoft Access or from your open program, which is Microsoft Access, dadalahin mo naman siya palabas. Okay, so pwede siyang Microsoft Access, naka-open sa Microsoft Access mo, papunta kay Microsoft Excel. Okay, so that is importing, papasok, exporting, palabas. Okay, types of files type of files Access can read. So ano daw yung mga files or data type na pwede nang gamitan ng exporting at exporting na maaaring basahin or mabasa ni Microsoft Access. Okay, so the first one is the file type is the Microsoft Access. Okay, the file extension is the *mdb, *adp, *mda, *mde or *ade. So, ano po ba miss yung mga file extension? Diba? Kung mapapansin ninyo, once you save your document like Microsoft Word, ang kanyang file extension is .doc or docs. Kapag naman ginamit natin si PowerPoint, ang kanyang file extension is .ppt. Okay, so may kanya-kanya siyang file extension. Okay, when we say Microsoft Access or Microsoft Excel, ang kanyang file extension is .xls. Okay? Exchange, Outlook. So, ito yung ating mga file type na kayang basahin daw ni Microsoft Access in terms of importing at exporting. The Paradox, the text files, the HTML documents, the XML document, and the OBC database. So, tayo naman, ang gagamitin natin is the Microsoft Access and the Microsoft Excel. So, those two kinds of application will be used in importing, exporting, and linking. Okay, so you can import file into an existing table in Access. You can also import a file, and Access can create the table for you. To be able to allow Access to create the table, the file needs to be in the database table format with columns or fields of data. If the data you are importing is already set up with column names, Access will automatically transfer this information to the new table as field names. Okay, importing from Excel to Access. Okay, importing from Excel to Access. Okay, so we do have the steps on how we can import from Excel to Access. You may follow the steps from your book, page 231. Okay, on the external data type, let us open the Microsoft Access. Okay, this one. On the external data tab, go to the import and link group and click Excel button. Okay. External data type. And then, punta daw tayo kay, go to the import and link group. Okay, ayun si import and link group. And click Excel button. Okay, from File, Excel button. Okay, and then on the Get External Data or Spreadsheet window, okay, type the path and Excel file name in the name field. Okay, so file name or name field or browse. For example, let us have open Microsoft Access. Okay, Okay, this one. Open. And then, on the File Open dialog box, select the file that you want to import and click Open. Click the Import the source data into new table in the current database. So, ito yun, automatically selected na. And then, click OK. Okay, as you can see, ito yung ginawa nating file from our first quarter. Okay, so hindi ito grades ninyo or kung sino mang bata. Ito yung files na ginawa natin from our first quarter. So ito yung record from Microsoft Excel papunta kay Microsoft Access. From the step 7, on the Import Spreadsheet Wizard, ayun, Import Spreadsheet Wizard window, check the first row contains columns headings checkbox. Okay, this one. Okay. And then on the field, okay, click next. Okay, on the field option, you can change the field name. So, pwede daw natin mapalitan pa yung mga field name dito. Itong field name natin class record, pwede natin siyang palitan into, for example, student quarter. Okay, and then click next. You can choose the check. I would like the wizard to analyze my table after importing the data. Click the finish button. Okay, check. I would like. And then finish. The wizard is now ready to analyze your table. Would you like to continue? Yes. Okay, and then next, 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 next. Yes. Next, next, yes. Finish. Save, import. Okay, as you can see, meron na tayo dito na import from our Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access. Kanina, isang table lang ang meron tayo, which is the product table. Pero dahil nag-import tayo ng ating file from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access, nagkaroon tayo ng another table for the queries and another table for the tables or for the data sheet. Okay, so that is on how to import another file into Microsoft Access. Okay, let us have linking to an Excel worksheet. Okay, we are done with this. Okay, linking to an Excel worksheet. On the External Data tab, go to the Import and Link group and click Excel button. Okay, punta ulit tayo sa ating Microsoft Access, our product table. And then, on the External Data tab, from the steps, go to the Import and Link group and click Excel button. External Data tab. Dialog box type, okay. Go to the Export and Link group and click Excel button. Excel. And then, on the Get External Data Excel Spreadsheet dialog box, type the pattern Excel file name in the name field. You can also click Browse to locate your Excel file from the File Open dialog box. Okay, let us browse. And let us look for this one. Let us use this file from Maanyo. Open. Okay. As you can see, this file was created during our first quarter. Let us check first row contains columns heading. No. Yes. Field 1 is okay na yan. Next. Next. Finish. Yes. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. You didn't split your table. Please split it or choose cancel to exit the wizard. Back. Okay, next. Okay. Next. You didn't split. Oh, what happened? Save, import. Save. Okay. Table 2. Table 1. Okay. So, ito yung table 1 na ating in-import or nilink from our product table. Ayan, that is sheet 1 kasi hindi ko siya napalitan kanina ng name or table name. That is why sheet 1 yung nakalagay sa kanya. So, this one is a link. So, for example, meron tayong babaguhin dun sa file natin from Microsoft Excel. And then, once we open the Microsoft Access, in this specific file name, mapapalitan din yung file natin dito. Automatically, mapapalitan yung file kasi connected or linked sila sa isa't isa from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access. Okay, next, managing linked tables. Okay, let us have exporting data to other programs. Select the table that you want to export to Excel. On the External Data tab, go to the Export group and click Excel button. So let us have the Microsoft Access again. And then let me use this product table. Okay, go to the External Data tab. On the Export group, select Excel. Okay, file format, Excel workbook. Okay. Export data with formatting layout. Save export. Export product table ang kanyang file name. Save. Then automatically, mag-o-open si Microsoft Excel. Let us wait for a while. This one. Save. Okay. Okay, let us use another table. Okay, next, exporting data to other programs. You may follow the steps from your book. Okay, so page 238. Okay, let us open another Microsoft Access. So for example, let me use the file created by Castillo. Product table. Okay, I have this one. And then go to the External Data tab. Select Excel button from the Export group. Okay, on the Export Excel Spreadsheet dialog box, type the path and file name of the file to be exported. You can also click Browse to locate the file to be exported. Okay, so for example, product table. Let me use this one. Save. Export. Okay. Yes. Save. Export C. Save. Okay, let us look for the file name export C. Take a look at. Ayun, C. Ayan, kung ano yung laman ng ating Microsoft Access na in-export ko papuntang Microsoft Excel, yun din yung magiging itsura niya. Ayan. Okay, so nakikita ba? Same. style or table style, table color, font style or font size ang ginamit, same or parehas na parehas sila. So that is on how to export Microsoft Access to Microsoft Excel. Okay. So that is on how to import, link, and export file from Microsoft Access to Microsoft Excel or from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access. So that's it for this week lesson. I hope you learn and understand the lesson. Go back to your module and answer the following activities. Once again, I am your subject teacher, Mrs. Lorena R. D. Guzman. Have a good day ahead.